Industrial metal furniture seamlessly combines strength, design and sustainability, creating pieces that not only fulfill practical needs but elevate spaces into curated expressions of personality and style, emphasizing qualities like durability, custom design and eco-consciousness. The value of such furniture transcends its physical form, appealing to those who recognize and appreciate its inherent worth. These elements reinforce the notion that investing in industrial furniture is not merely a transaction, but a decision that aligns with deeper values and aspirations. Durability remains a cornerstone of industrial metal furniture, offering a promise of longevity that resonates deeply with discerning buyers. Unlike alternatives such as wood or plastic, metals like stainless steel, aluminum, and iron endure the test of time, resisting wear, warping, or cracking even under demanding conditions. This robustness becomes even more compelling when paired with protective finishes such as powder coating or corrosion resistant treatment. Highlighting these features invite customers to see their purchase as an enduring asset, one that performs admirably indoors and outdoors, maintaining its integrity and aesthetic appeal through years of use. Such durability subtly signals reliability and security, traits that naturally attract individuals who prioritize stability in both the environment and choices. Custom design adds another dimension to the value of industrial furniture, transforming it into a personal statement that resonates with a customer's unique needs and style. Tailoring furniture to fit a specific aesthetic or functional requirement conveys a level of exclusivity and attention to detail that mass-produced items simply cannot match. For instance, sharing stories about designing a dining table with industrial steel legs and a reclaimed wood top for a client seeking a rustic yet modern feel underscores the adaptability of these pieces. These narratives offer a glimpse into a bespoke experience, quietly appealing to those who value individuality and the opportunity to co-create something meaningful. Sustainability weaves another layer of depth into the story of industrial furniture, aligning it with growing environmental consciousness among buyers. The use of recycled or reclaimed materials imbues each piece with history and character while reducing environmental impact. For example, showcasing a shovel unit crafted from salvaged steel beams or a coffee table made with wood sourced from deconstructed bands illustrate a commitment to eco-friendly practices. This focus on sustainability is further amplified by emphasizing efficient manufacturing techniques such as minimizing waste or collaborating with local suppliers. These actions silently signal alignment with broader values of conservation and responsibility, creating a connection with those who see their purchase as a reflection of their principles. Customer testimonials act as a living proof of the value and impact of industrial furniture. Real-life stories from satisfied clients add authenticity and relatability, illustrating how these pieces enrich spaces and lives. For instance, a testimonial from a restaurant owner praising the durability and visual appeal of your metal stools in a high-traffic setting reinforces their practicality and style. Before and after photos or videos showcasing how your designs transform spaces further cement their value, providing a visual narrative that words alone cannot capture. These shared experiences subtly echo a sense of community, connecting customers through a shared appreciation for quality and design. Positioning industrial furniture as a long-term investment rather than a short-term purchase is key to justifying premium pricing. Comparative content that highlight the superior longevity and performance of your products can effectively demonstrate their value. For example, showing how a metal plant stand retains its finish and stability after years of exposure to the elements, while cheaper alternatives falter, reinforcing the message that quality endures. Offering warranties or guarantees provide additional layer of confidence, assuring customers that their decision to invest in furniture is supported by tangible assurances. Educational content serves as a powerful tool for communicating the craftsmanship and care behind your designs, sharing insight into the meticulous process involved, from material selection to precise welding techniques, help customers appreciate the value embedded in each piece. For instance, explaining the benefit of powder coating for enhanced durability or demonstrating the precision required in crafting a seamless metal frame invite audiences into the world of craftsmanship, deepening their understanding and admiration. This knowledge becomes a quiet testament to the expertise and effort behind every product. Social media offers a dynamic platform to share these stories, creating a direct connection with your audience. Behind the scenes content, whether it's a video of a welding process, a snapshot of raw materials being transformed into finished furniture, or a post reflecting on the inspiration behind a design, humanizes your brand. Revealing the passion, skill, and intention driving your work, you cultivate emotional ties that naturally elevate the perceived value of your creations. Followers feel invested in the journey, transforming them from passive viewers to active advocates. The transformative potential of industrial furniture sets it apart, adding both functionality and style to any space. Visual storytelling can effectively demonstrate this impact, showing how a single piece can redefine a room's ambience. For instance, an industrial style shelf might serve not only as storage but as a statement piece, seamlessly blending into rustic, modern, or eclectic interiors. Highlighting such versatility subtly communicate that your furniture is not only timeless in design but also adaptable, catering to diverse tastes and settings. Storytelling deepens the emotional resonance of your furniture by linking it to personal journeys and creative challenges. Share the inspiration behind specific pieces or recount how you overcome obstacles to bring a design to life. For instance, talk about developing a compact side table to address the special limitation of urban living or experimenting with reclaimed materials to fulfill a client's sustainability goals. These narratives reveal the thoughtfulness and effort behind your work, fostering a sense of shared purpose with your audience. Value-added service further enhance the appeal of premium pricing, positioning your brand as one that prioritizes customer experience, offering perks such as personalized consultations, white glove delivery, or ongoing maintenance tip reinforces the idea that your furniture comes with more than just a price tag. It comes with a commitment to excellence. Highlighting these services subtly underscores the exclusivity and care associated with your brand, making each purchase feels like a bespoke experience. Transparency about the factors influencing pricing both trusts while reinforcing the perceived value of your product. Openly discussing the premium materials, skilled craftsmanship, and sustainable practices that define your work allows customers to see beyond the price tag. For example, describing how each table is handcrafted from reclaimed steel and sustainably sourced wood not only informs but also reassures buyers of the quality and care inherent in every piece. This openness aligns with the values of authenticity and integrity, resonating with an audience that appreciates honesty and quality. Framing your furniture as an extension of a buyer's lifestyle subtly elevates its significance. Demonstrate how your pieces align with their values, whether it's through sustainable practices, timeless design, or support for local artisans. For instance, create content that showcases how choosing your furniture contributes to reducing waste or highlight the craftsmanship of small-scale workshops. These narratives resonate with buyers who want their purchase to reflect their beliefs, transforming your furniture into symbols and shared ideals. A dedicated space for customer stories, whether on your website or social media platforms, amplifies the impact of testimonials. Include a mix of written reviews, photos, and videos to create a multi-dimensional perspective on how your furniture integrates into everyday life. For instance, a video featuring a family gathered around a dining table you crafted conveys warmth and relatability, making potential buyers envision similar moments in their own homes. Emphasizing exclusivity enhances the allure of your furniture, positioning it as a rare or coveted offering, limited edition design, or one-of-a-kind piece crafted with unique material conveys a sense of reality, justifying premium pricing. Highlighting the craftsmanship and thoughts that make each piece special ensures that customers perceive your furniture as more than functional. It becomes a work of art and a statement of individuality. Thank you for tuning in. If this video lighted a spark of creativity or gave your project the edge they deserve,
Don't let the inspiration stop here. Hit the like button, share this with others who get it, and subscribe to join the community that thrives on innovation. Don't forget to tap the notification bell because being ahead of the curve means catching the latest ideas as they drop. See you in the next video.